Welcome to an exhilarating new creative trend taking social media by storm. Picture this, majestic animal warriors like a lion representing the United Kingdom or an eagle symbolizing the United States, designed with stunning, hyper-realistic, cinematic styles that represent the essence of their respective countries.
Se maconha segurando, olha a via safada relaxando, olha a pica safada sem vergonha, vai sentando na pica doida de maconha, quem tenta samba o bagulho é doidão, trava essa puta gigante safada, senta malvada.
This trend has captured the hearts of audiences across TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels, with videos consistently going viral. These creations have been generating thousands, even millions of views, helping creators rapidly grow their following. For instance, some savvy creators have built accounts with over 61,000 followers in just a few weeks, thanks to this simple yet compelling format. The best part? You don't need to be a professional animator or a tech wizard to create such videos. With the advent of user-friendly AI tools, producing this kind of content is now more accessible than ever. All you need is a bit of creativity, some guided knowledge, which I'll provide, and a willingness to experiment. Why it matters. Creating animal warriors representing countries isn't just about visuals. It's a powerful way to connect cultures, celebrate uniqueness, and tell compelling stories. These videos perform remarkably well because they tap into elements that resonate: patriotism, creativity, and artistry. Moreover, this trend comes with real monetization opportunities. From TikTok's Creator Fund and YouTube Shorts payouts to brand partnerships and affiliate marketing, your creativity can translate directly into revenue. So, are you ready to dive in? Let's turn your ideas into shareable masterpieces. Step 1. Understanding prompt crafting. Creating stunning AI-generated visuals begins with an effective prompt. Key elements of a prompt. Animal representation. Clearly state the animal that symbolizes your chosen country. For instance, a bald eagle for the USA or a panda for China. Styling, specify the cinematic and artistic style. Words like hyper-realistic, dramatic lighting, and cinematic tones guide the AI to deliver professional results. Details, add elements that reflect the country's culture, such as colors, iconic symbols, or historical elements. Example, a tiger warrior wearing an Indian-inspired golden turban, surrounded by traditional Indian motifs. Step 2. Generating prompts with ChatGPT. Next, we'll use ChatGPT to quickly generate tailored prompts. This step saves time and ensures a variety of ideas for each country. Log in. Open ChatGPT in your browser. Sign up or log in. Template paste. Copy one of the templates from the Google Doc and paste it into ChatGPT. Customization. Request multiple prompts for different countries. Start with 6 for a quick project, or go up to 15 for longer videos. Pro tip. Each prompt should provide enough variation to create a visually dynamic final product. ChatGPT makes this simple, fast, and efficient. Once your prompts are ready, it's time to move to image generation. Step 3. Creating hyper-realistic visuals with Leonardo AI. Leonardo AI is perfect for producing cinematic, hyper-detailed images. Follow these steps. Sign up. Go to the Leonardo AI website and create an account. You'll receive 150 free tokens to get started. Model, set it to Leonardo Phoenix. Preset style, choose dynamic. Aspect ratio, opt for 9:16, ideal for TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. Generate images. Copy your first ChatGPT prompt and paste it into Leonardo AI. Hit generate. In seconds, you'll receive a set of beautiful images that align with your description. Repeat this process for all your prompts. Download each image and save them in a folder for easy access later. Step 4. Adding motion with Leonardo AI. Now it's time to transform static images into animated masterpieces using Leonardo AI. Animation gives your project life, turning eye-catching visuals into captivating, shareable content. Sign in. Head over to Leonardo AI and log in. New users receive a 3-day free trial. Upload images. Add one image at a time to your workspace. Apply prompts. Use action descriptions from your earlier ChatGPT-generated prompts to guide the animation. While processing times may be slower for free users, the final results are stunning. To speed up the process, consider upgrading to a paid plan or using multiple accounts. Download all your clips once the animations are complete. Step 5. Enhancing quality with CapCut. Using CapCut's video upscaler, you can boost the resolution of your video clips, ensuring they look amazing on any device. Upload clips. Drag and drop your animated clips into the upscaler. Adjust. Resolution. Select high-quality settings like in 1080p or 4K. Export. Save your enhanced videos to your device. Higher quality not only enhances viewer experience, but also increases the shareability and professionalism of your content. Step 6. Assembling and editing the video. This is where your project comes together. Use CapCut or your preferred editing software to compile your clips into a cohesive, attention-grabbing video. Aspect ratio. Adjust the timeline to 9:16 transitions. Use smooth transitions such as pull-ins or fades to enhance flow. Add motion effects to each clip. Label each warrior with its respective country's name for context. Color grading. Fine-tune brightness, contrast, and saturation to give your video a polished, cinematic touch. Finally, choose an engaging soundtrack. For this tutorial, I used a custom track generated with SoundRaw AI. Import the music, sync it to your visuals, and ensure the pace complements the animation. Step 7. Sharing and monetization. Now for the exciting part, publishing your creation. Upload your video to TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. Use trending hashtags and engaging captions to maximize visibility. Monetization options. TikTok Creator Fund. Eligible creators can earn from views. YouTube Shorts. Fun. Generate revenue by participating in YouTube's bonus program. Brand sponsorships. Partner with brands to monetize your videos further. Affiliate links. Share relevant products or tools in the description to earn commissions. Conclusion. You now have everything you need to create stunning, viral-worthy content that resonates with audiences and fuels your creative journey.
He's back! Segurando, olha a via safada relaxando. Olha a pica safada sem vergonha. Vai sentando na pica doida de maconha.
If this guide inspired you, don't forget to support the channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing. What animal warrior idea are you excited to try first? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear your concepts. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.